bank rides again. Why are we here again? Because what? It's like 7 o'clock. Sun barely came up and we're already riding. I like that early, get in. Have fun, get out. Oh shit. Oh, she's purring, dude. Get in, get out, get home, chill, supercross. Yeah! Get after it. I don't know where we're going, but we'll go somewhere. Holy smokes, dude. Everything's so cold. It's like, I think it's like 42 or something right now. The bad part, early in the morning, it's so good. It's so good. Everything's stiff, dude. Like, can't even pull in the clutch. Probably because my fingers are frozen. But, hey, are we complaining? Hell no, we out here. Woo! Did a little carb clean on the Lectron, dude. After, I would say probably around 60 or 70 hours on it. No issues with it, dude. The thing's a freaking gem, man. I love this Lectron. Old school Lectron, though. This is the first one that came out with. The HV, I think, high velocity. I forget. 38. I don't know, but it ain't the H series. And, yeah, she's a ripper, dude. So the last ride I was out, it's like it didn't want to idle. It acted hella weird, like it's leaning out, dying out, like it had no, like I had the gas off pretty much. So what I did was I cleaned it out, real good, put it back on, and she's ripping, dude, promise me. Look at that. Ah, dude, that's hard to jump those little sticks and then land into some slop and keep going like dead stop. A little bit hard. I could have did it, but the bike's still super cold. You know what I mean? She's still like cold, and I don't want to like really bang on her. That's how you get your bike to last, fellas. You're an old man like me, you don't really, you just want to ride. Just want to enjoy the ride, you know? So, I don't know what the hell that meant, never mind. You just send it, but look at that. So you jump that and land like right there, and then try to pin it up over this little cliff. Not too easy, but whatever. Basically, when I landed, I didn't want to get on it hella hard, dude. I baby this girl. We'll be back. We need a quick break. All right, we're back at it. What the? She really didn't want to bump start right there. downhill trail. Warm the knees up, you know what I mean? Last time I was on this trail, I hung my knee up on this rut and screwed it up. Won't be a ride without neutral. Oh, yeah. God damn, did he stick? Last time I hit that hill, we're gonna go around out.